Okay, welcome back to my channel. Part 2, like I promised you. First one is we changed the band. We put a new band on my Invicta watch. And this part 2 is to adjust this. The links, we're gonna take off some of the links to fit my wrist. What we're gonna use, or what we need, 2 screwdrivers, small ones. I bought this Home Depot, a small box like that with like 4 of these different sizes. All right, so let's go and do it. Here we go. I tried to earlier to use these ones on the big links. See the big links? It doesn't work, don't know why. It won't turn. I keep turning, it won't loosen. I tried for like a minute or two earlier, it won't, don't know why. So what I did, I used the same thing on the small link. As you can see, let me have it closer. Can you see it? Right there, it's already removed. I actually have the screw right here, right there, but I'll show you how I did it. Okay, first off, you take one screw like this and hold it like that. Use the other one on the other end and then unscrew. All right, the screw will come out. Once it comes out, that one is free. I think you just need to push it out to the other end. It's out, but I'm not gonna pull it now because I still need that. To remove. I need 2 links. I need to remove 2 links. So which one I'm gonna remove? This thing has to connect, so I gotta remove this right here. So I put one. Let me find it. Bit tricky to find it. And 2. Yep, I got it. Use the other one right there. Here we go. I think I got it right there. Hope I'm losing this one. Sorry about that. Right there. See that? Coming off. Make sure you don't lose the screws. It's very, very important. Now we can remove both. One and the other one. Ta-da. Right there. Ta-da! One link is out. One needs to stay there. These 2 needs to connect. Put it back. Make sure you find that hole. Damn, I can't find that. Oh, right there. Sorry, I'm not a professional. Can't find. Oh, right there. Once again, we find it. Maybe this is the tricky part. Maybe make sure this thing goes in there. Oops, I drop it right there, because if you look at it, you see this thing has a small hole right there, and this is the actual screw with the thread. You have to like screw it like that. All right, okay, let's try it, because I keep losing it. One more time. Where is it? Right there. Try and put it in. It won't go in. Let me try in the help of the use of my screwdriver. Maybe. Oh, it's too small. What? Come on, man. Keep dropping. Put this one first. Let's try. Come on, get in there. Get in there. Right there. Okay, I got it in. Now it's just a matter of putting it in. I can't find. I can see it's there. No, don't come out. Okay, it's right there. Now it's in. Let's find the screw. Okay. I really can't see, it's too small. Right there. Ooh. So basically, you see, you get the idea. I got put this one right there. It's too big, yeah. It's the other one. Can't see it. Right there. Okay, I got it now. Now this one has to go. Now I'm twisting and turning. Bear with me, I'm not a professional. That's it. I feel it. It's tight. Okay, let's do it on this side. Do it again. So one more time. Right there. Hold it. Okay. Ta-da! Now it's just smaller now. Before it was really big. It'll go all the way. My hand. Now it's. Let me see. I think I'm gonna need to remove 2 more links. I think. Yep. I believe I'll do it again. One more time. 2 more links. And it'll fit my hand. You see? 2 more links. 2 more links. I can do it. 2 more links. So basically you get the idea on how to do it. What we did in the beginning, you just repeat and do it. And there it is. That's how to do it. Alright. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. It's that red word in the corner down there. It says subscribe. Like. Put a comment if you want. And the bell. Give you. Thank you very much.